Introducing Clip, the feature that brings video to your collaboration on ClickUp or anywhere else. Going back and forth multiple times trying to explain something to someone with text is inefficient, and if it's across time zones, you can lose days. Clip lets you record videos right from your ClickUp. These can be sent as comments or shared via a link. Clip is currently available in Chrome and Firefox browsers. Let's try it out. So I'm going to go to my comments, and here we can click Record Screen. This will allow me to choose my entire screen, including all applications and software, just one application window, for example Chrome, or just one Chrome tab. And that's what I'm going to do here, just my ClickUp. I'll click Share, and now we're recording. At the top of the screen, we can see a notification that we are recording, as well as a stop button. So I need to tell my designer that actually we want these boxes to be more spaced out, we want to have more of a spacious feel, and maybe try and fit 4 across. Okay, great. Now when I hit stop, this will be saved as a .webm format that can be played by browsers and by some audio players. It can also be converted into other file formats if needed. So once done, we can hit comment to add this as a comment, or we can click on the 3 dots here to copy this link and share it somewhere else. We can also minimize this into a small link, make it large again, and remove the embed, which will leave it just as a URL link, or delete it. I'll tag Jamie in so he knows that this is for him, and I might also assign the comment to him. Great. Clip will be available in the task comments, chat views, dashboard chat widgets, and list info. Note that on free plans, recordings will take up storage space. Okay, enjoy better communication and have a great day.